back at 9:47 now. Sometimes science can look a lot like magic tricks. This morning, STEM NOLA is with us to show us a trick using a few materials you have at home and a little science to completely amaze and stump your friends and family. Joining us this morning with the levitating bottle trick is Adam Nunn with STEM NOLA and Miya Jackson, an 11th grade student at Mount Carmel Academy. How y'all doing today?
Good.
All right.
All right, so we've got our wands ready, we've got our potions, but it's not that kind of magic, right? No?
Not quite,
All right.
not quite.
So tell me a little bit about what we have going on here.
So we're going to be doing a levitating bottle, and you just need a cup of uncooked rice filled all the way to the top.
Okay.
And a pencil or a chopstick, whichever one you have.
Okay, cool. All right, so take me through it. What do we do?
Okay, so first you want to just like go in and out about 10 to 20 times.
Almost like you're just creating a hole in the rice.
And doing this, you're like making friction between the rice and the pencil, and you're compacting the rice in there, so like you're releasing the air pressure out.
Okay.
So that way, like when you lift it, it should be able to like stick together so it won't slip out and fall.
Let's try that.
Yeah. Here, all right. So I'm going to try.
So
And so you just did that and it just lifted?
lift it up a little bit higher.
Lift it up?
Right on. Levitating.
Sometimes it like
So
might
is that
slip.
this is gonna do this too?
Eventually. So our levitating bottle is sort of one of our activities that, it's a little labor intensive. The students, it may take a little bit more than 10 to 20 times, but what they're doing is pushing out those tiny bits of air in between
And
the
like
rice.
kind of like compacting them,
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah.
That's what I was just about to say. We're compacting the rice, and the rice friction against the pencil or chopstick causes it to be able to lift up.
But you gotta really get it going there, huh?
Right.
I'm trying. Oh, you got it there.
There we go.
I mean, you got that down.
There we go.
I believe you.
There
I
we
see
go.
it. So the rice almost like kind of clings on to,
Yeah, to the
whatever
pencil.
your object is that you're
Yeah.
using.
Right.
And then so you're using friction to create some magic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep,
So
that's
you,
right.
you start off with it and you say, hey, here you go, television anchor. See if you can lift the pencil out of the rice. And then
Yeah.
there you go. You got it. You could do like a sword in the stone kind of thing.
Oh,
Right.
nice. Love that movie.
Yeah, like call him Merlin. All right. So Maya, you're part of the STEM Fellows program. Tell me a little bit about that.
Oh, well, the STEM NOLA STEM Fellows program, it's our out-of-classroom hands-on experience for students. Open registration is happening right now on stemnola.com/fellows. But students, high school students, get to come out of the classroom and work with some of our community partners like Oshner. They get to go into hospitals and speak to doctors and things like that. So it's really awesome for students that want to get a leg up on,
Yeah.
college and career.
Oh, absolutely. And
Yeah.
Maya, I mean, you were telling me a little bit right before we got started about some of the things that you've already done.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about that.
So I've been to a couple sessions, and basically what we did was we monitored the heat patterns in urban areas. And recently I've trained to like build monitors to monitor that heat in different urban areas to teach other children how to do
Wow.
it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right. So I mean, do you think you would have ever learned anything about that really practical type of science without STEM NOLA?
No.
Yeah.
And that's what we're trying to do. It's a, cradle to career pipeline that we're trying to build and evangelize science within our community. So that's what we're here for.
Yeah. All right. So so overall, did you learn that the urban areas are getting hotter these days?
Yeah, it depends on like the areas. Like some areas may be hotter, some may be colder, it depends.
There are plenty of jobs going forward in that field. So it just really proves how important STEM is for New Orleans and for our students. Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all.
All right.
Keep going on this one. All right. We're going to make some